Now to enable this setting, you have to go your setting. From here, open the accessibility. Now audio and visual, press on audio and visual, and then bottom you see LED flashlight alert. You have to enable it, and flash while unlock and flash in silent mode also you can disable or enable it. And once done, now if anyone make a call, now your flashlight will be. Now you can see if someone call or give you a message, your flashlight is automatically turned on. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.